Hello, wealth builders. Good morning. So we are on our way home. We are homebound today. So again, like yesterday, we're going to go ahead and make stops on the way. As we make our stops, we're going to go ahead and go over a question. Okay. So you ready to get to it?
Yep.
All right. So the question that we found on Reddit was, hey there, new to wholesaling and learning the process. Does anyone know how or where to find houses for sale from private sellers or listings? Taking any helpful advice to learn and speed up the process. Thanks.
All right, good question.
It was a great question. So we wanted to go ahead and answer it for you guys, because I'm pretty sure that somebody else in this group has these exact same questions, and that's why we wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys and come up with these questions that we know most wholesalers and new wholesalers, questions that we had when we first started out.
Yep.
Ken, did you want to go over one of them?
So I think that's probably the number one question that most wholesalers have, right? Is where do I find motivated sellers? Mm-hmm. And I'm gonna share with you guys how I feel about that word first. Look, they're not motivated until they reach out to you, right? So a motivated seller finds you most times, or you turn a homeowner into a motivated seller. So in the beginning, what you're doing is you're finding homeowners and you're reaching out to them to see if they want to sell. Mm-hmm. Now, how do you find homeowners? Well, that really depends on you and what area you're looking in, right? If you're looking in your local market, then one of the best ways is to get out and do some driving for dollars.
We love driving for dollars.
Yeah, that's gonna be like number one on your list. If you're doing it in your local area, you want to get out and you want to drive for dollars, right? If you're doing it in a virtual market, you still can drive for dollars virtually. We use PropStream and Google Earth, and we virtually drive for dollars in different areas. Our kids do it for us. We got two teenagers at the house. They virtually drive for dollars for us. They get on the computer, they can drive up and down the streets, and they add properties that look like they're in distress from the satellite photos, right?
And what's nice is we've used other apps in the past. I'm sure you guys heard of driving for dollars,
like Deal Machine.
There it was, Deal Machine. But we found that PropStream does a similar thing, and we can get 10, 20 other things along with the program.
Yeah, so because we're going to skip trace them there too. So, we don't have to move anything around or anything like that.
And I can find out all their information as I'm driving. Sometimes, as Ken is driving, a lot of times I'll be on PropStream putting them in and looking them up and seeing if they're vacant, or seeing if they how long they've had the property. Who is it owned by? Is it owned by a company or a business, or is it owned by somebody's personal? So those are all the questions I can get answered really quickly through PropStream, which is why we use it so much. So I would definitely say driving for dollars is an amazing way. When you're driving for dollars, you just want to look for maybe a missing mailbox, or maybe a mailbox that's packed full of old mail, because you can kind of tell, or shingles falling off, or
roof damage. They got tarps on the roof.
Fire damage.
Yeah, we drive around looking at fire damage properties all the time. And then, to caveat on driving for dollars and using PropStream is also great for pulling lists. So one of the other things that we do is we pull like vacant property lists. We'll pull foreclosure lists. We'll pull absentee owner lists, which normally means that they don't live at the property. Those are potentially landlords or people who had to move away for a job or something, but couldn't sell their home or something, or didn't want to sell it at that time. So on top of being able to drive for dollars in PropStream, you can also pull a list in PropStream, and that could be a very easy way to get started. But just keep in mind that those are more cold leads, because you're gonna have to reach out to them to see if they're interested in selling.
Yeah, so they might not necessarily be motivated today, but they might be motivated in a month or next week, or so that might be something you keep on. So those are two really great ways to start off with. Another way, we like estate/garage sales. We actually got properties that we've sold, came across an estate sale, was looking for a bicycle.
We
were looking at restoring some bicycles for our own personal use, and came up to an estate sale, and unfortunately their mother had passed away about a few months prior to that.
Yeah.
It hadn't even been through probate yet, so it took a couple of months for the deal to finally go through, for them to get everything done. But it was an amazing deal. They hadn't even talked to a realtor yet. They were still trying to figure everything out, and we were able to come in, help them figure it out, tell them, take what you want. You don't have to continue this sell if you don't want to. Finish it out for the day, and you don't have to keep trying to sell all this stuff. Just take what you want.
We were able to find a buyer for that one in less
and a
than
bicycle.
We were able to find a buyer in less than a week on that one too.
Yeah, we found them very
the
very
buyer
quick.
Came really quick on that one, and
Actually,
they were willing to wait.
And we got over asking. So
from the estate sale. So yes, if you see a garage sale sign, definitely go by there. And here's the key to that one, right? They are motivated. 9 times out of 10, that is a motivated seller. So if you're looking for motivated people, they're already selling stuff.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, I literally, that's one that we've gotten, but we've had other ones that we went by. We had one right in our own neighborhood, and we went into the garage sale, the yard sale or whatever, and I was like, is the house for sale too? And she's like, well, actually it will be. You know, so it's like...
And I love a will be. Yeah. I love a will be, because that means there's no realtor involved.
Yep.
They haven't really
listed it yet.
Yep, they really aren't sure about anything, and you can really come in there, help them out, be an assist, show them what they can do, show them what you can offer them, and show them how quickly you can get it done.
Yep.
Okay, so that was, estate sales are great. So those are really 3 really good ways. Also, I wanted to let everybody know we are in the process. Depending on when you're watching this, the ebook is probably already going to be out. It's going to be 25 ways to find motivated sellers, which is going to be awesome for you to be able to identify other places other than the 3 ways that we just gave you.
Yeah, we're going to talk about a whole bunch of other
them.
ways. Social ways to use your social media.
And really, it's more than 25. We could go on and on, but we're going to start there just to give you the top 25 ways that we like, and that way it'll give you somewhere to go that you can look at and see. So if that is something that you're going to be interested in, if you're in our comments, if you're in the Facebook group KB Wealth Builders, make sure you go ahead and say ebook at the bottom, so that we know we can keep on creating these ebooks to kind of help you guys out. Any way that we can kind of come up with the ideas to assist you, we are here. Contact us. Our contact information is up. DM us. Go ahead, slide in them DMs, okay? Go ahead, slide them in the DMs. Let us know how we can help you out, okay? So I just wanted to go ahead and make sure everybody know. Check out kvwealthbuilders.com.
Yep.
Make sure that you go in there. Some great information, contracts. We're honestly putting things up. We're gonna be putting things up. We're gonna get back home today, and we are gonna be
working.
So just keep looking for the things that we're going to be having coming out. If that is something that you're interested in, just make sure you put ebook in the comments. Give us a thumbs up. Give us some love, some hearts, and we will love that. So this is stop number 1 on day 2.
Yeah, so it's stop 7 total. But
yes, but stop 1 for day 2. Okay?
And last night we were recording a video for you guys last night, and it got a little messed up because we didn't have service. We were right outside of Kansas City, Missouri. So yeah, that one didn't get posted right, but maybe we'll make that up for you guys.
Yep, maybe we'll throw in the extra one.
We'll
go ahead and answer the question that we were trying to answer. But if this is something you guys like, we're gonna be here all day. Okay?
All day.
So just say what's up, holler at us, and until then, KB Wealth Builders. Till then, Wealth Builders. We'll see you on the next stop.
Peace.